Hello students, in my last video we learned the basic rules of voice change. Today we will be learning the additional rules. Now the first thing that we will learn is when to avoid the phrase by. When the active form involves the use of some indefinite pronoun or vague pronoun, then we must avoid the use of the phrase by. Let me show you. The first sentence, people speak English all over the world. And our answer here will be English is spoken all over the world. Be very careful to find out the object because people is subject, speak is verb and English is object. Do not bring all over the world to the subject slot. So English is spoken all over the world. We won't write by people here. Second sentence, someone has picked my pocket. My pocket is the object. Our answer will be my pocket has been picked. Here also we will avoid by someone. We won't write by someone. And the third sentence, one should keep one's promises. This is a very common sentence. It's coming in exams. Sometimes we get we should keep our promises. People should keep their promises. And our answer will be promises should be kept. So what I want to show you is that when the sentence uses some indefinite pronoun or some vague pronoun like people, someone, somebody, one, etc., then we will avoid the phrase by. Okay, that will be completely unnecessary. And let me show you the fourth sentence. I have lost my umbrella. Here our answer will be my umbrella have lost is present perfect because but since it is my umbrella we will write has. My umbrella has been lost. I have already shown you how the verb is used in different tense forms. So here also I have lost my umbrella. My umbrella has been lost is enough because obviously my umbrella will be lost by me, so we won't write by me here. So this important point. Now we will learn that in some sentences the passive form uses not the preposition by but some other preposition. For example, these sentences. The first one, I know him. He is, this is I know him. Active form, he is known to me. So we have not written by preposition here because with known always the preposition to is used. The second sentence, the news shocked us. We were shocked at the news. Or we may get the news surprised us also. Then also we will write we were surprised at the news. And the last sentence, your behavior vexes me. I am vexed at your behavior. I am vexed at your behavior. That means here also we have used a preposition at. So the thing is to show that with known we will write preposition to, and there are some words like some verbs like shocked, surprised annoyed, vexed, etc. when we have to use the preposition at. There are some phrasal verbs, or we can say attached prepositions also here, where we cannot separate the preposition from the verb. For example, these sentences, he is looking at the picture. So look at, it's a phrasal verb. And the second sentence, they are laughing at the beggar. Laugh at is also like that. So here we will write, he is looking at the picture. The picture is being, if you remember, this is continuous tense, present continuous, is being looked at. That is what I want to show. Look at. This is this preposition is always attached to this verb, okay, and we cannot remove it or separate it. The picture is being looked at by him. This is the passive form. And the second sentence, they are laughing at the beggar. The beggar is, okay. I have taken the same tense form here also, present continuous. The beggar is being laughed at. So this preposition is always attached to this verb, laughed at by them. This is the passive form. In some sentences there are two objects. Like this sentence, he gave me a pen. He is the subject, but here we get two objects. Me is one and the other is a pen. So we get two objects in some sentences, and one generally denotes to a person and the other denotes to a thing. Now we can write the answer also in two different ways, taking each object as the subject. Firstly, if we bring this to the subject slot, he gave me a pen, because this is past tense. I was given a pen by him. Or we can write it also like, if we bring it to the subject slot, a pen was given to me by him. So both these passive sentences are correct because there are two objects. We can write it in two different ways. Let us now learn how to change voice in imperative sentences. I have written two sentences here, and you must remember what is an imperative sentences that expresses a request or an order, maybe to ask someone to do something. Okay. So the first sentence is clean the room. The subject is not very clear here, but we know that this is you. Anyway, I have just shown you clean the room. So for imperative sentences, the passive form starts with let. Okay. Since we know this is the object. Okay. You is the subject and the room is the object. Let the room be cleaned. Okay, but since it is not shown here, it's only in brackets, so we will not write by also. That is not necessary. Let the room be cleaned. And the second sentence, post the letter at once. Okay, so don't confuse. At once is a phrase. It's not the object. The object is the letter. Okay, you is here. Okay, you post a letter at once. So we will write, let the letter be posted at once. So this is how we change voice in imperative sentences. Now we will learn how to change voice in interrogative sentences. I have seen students often finding it difficult. Now look at these sentences. Changing voice in interrogative sentences. Sentence number 1. Who broke the window? This is in simple past form. Who broke the window? So if this is difficult for you to change, I will suggest someone broke the window. You can try like that. Someone broke the window, and the form will be someone broke the window. The window was broken. Okay. But we don't have someone here. This is only for making it easier. So who always changes to by whom for passive. Okay. Always it changes to by whom. By whom was. Be careful about the position of the verb. By whom was the window broken. By whom was the window broken. So this is the passive form. This is a different question because it starts with WH question word. You will get another sentences like what are you doing? Okay, if that is the question in active form, what are you doing? Your answer will be what? What is being done by you? Now this is another sentence. It starts with an auxiliary verb, not a WH question, but this is again an interrogative sentence. Are you writing a letter? If it's very difficult for you to change the voice to passive form in such interrogative sentences, I suggest you can write in 2 steps. You can complete it. Are you writing a letter? It's okay. Let us change it to assertive form. You are writing a letter. You are writing a letter. Is this difficult for you to change it to passive? I think no, because we know the rules. You are writing a letter. This is present continuous, and we will change it to passive like letter is being written by you. Okay. A letter is being written by you. But this is in question form, so we will have to change for the final answer. We'll have to change it to the question form again. A letter is being written by you. So is a letter being written by you? Don't forget to do that, because again we'll have to change from assertive to question, because this is only how you can, if it's difficult for you, this is also a method that you can try, but with practice I think you don't have to try this method and you will be able to do it directly. Let us learn some more exceptions. When to use when. Okay, so example is this. This is the sentence, honey tastes sweet. So when we get sentences with smell, taste, feel, etc. as main verb, we will have to write like honey is sweet when tasted. So this is the active form and this is the passive form. So in case of this verb smell, taste, feel, okay, we will use when. Honey is sweet when tasted. And lastly, I want to show you what to do for sentences with believe, say, etc. So this is the sentence I have taken. People believe that he is the hero of the town. And we can write like, it is believed that He is the hero of the town. It is believed that he is the hero of the town, or we can also write like he is believed to be the hero of the town. So both the ways are correct. We can write like this. So this was all about voice change from my side. I believe these two videos on voice change are in a way all inclusive, and students should not face any difficulty in changing the form of voice after going through them thoroughly. I'll be very happy and motivated to learn this being useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.